Here's a product unboxing of item I bought on Amazon. I think it's a wireless charger or something. Whoa, I don't want to show my address, so let me try to open this thing. One hand. All right, hold on. I can't show you my address. So here it goes. All right, let's see. Oh, I got it. I'm showing you right here. Oh, it's the data transmit and charging cable. What the USB Type-C cable? Oh, I bought this to charge my V20 phone. It uses a USB Type-C cable. Yeah, it's the new format that everyone uses now. So yeah, this is the first USB-C type cable that I ever bought, and the V20 I just bought. I'm using it to record right now, and yeah, I just see what's in here. BNY. I remember buying this on. What the hell? I remember buying this on eBay, but it looks like it's from Amazon. I don't know. I think I got it for very cheap. It's one of the cheapest prices, like $5. It's 3.3 feet USB-C to USB 3.0. It's from Shenzhen Blue Ocean Electronics. There you go. Now I see. Hold on. Alright, let me just opening this. Try to open this one hand. Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh, damn. It looks high quality. So the brand is BHY. Try to do this with one hand. Show you guys. Testing out the V20. Alright. I think it's better with this one. It's closer. I'm sorry guys. I'm just trying to learn how to use my V20 used smartphone. LG V20. So I'm new at this. So using the phone. Alright, let's test it out. I'm just trying to test it out. Alright, let's see. Wow, wire looks high quality. It's $5 on eBay, okay? Yeah, it looks a lot better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be really cheap looking, but it's really good quality. Where did I buy it from? Does it say? It doesn't really say it, so BHY. Let's see what else. What's this written in there? Here's what it says. Here's the model number. It's BHY model CNHO. It's by Shenzhen Blue Ocean Electronics. Let's see. Can you guys see it? What the? I bought it shipped from China. Damn, I was like. So far, so good. So, alright, we'll stop the video. Or sure, let's see if it's able to record over 5 minutes. Alright. What else is in here? Alright, I can show you something more. I have to hide my address and I'll show you. the heck? It's from Lam Hoi, Lauren Hoi. It's shift from Bay Area Trail, Suite 115, North Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Carrier, leave no response. Oh, at least you guys know my name now, but I can't let you show. I can't show you where I live. Oh, this thing when it records, it's able to record past 5 minutes. So that's why I like so far about the LG V20. All right, pause it. Stop video.